I'm Mary Ellen, and welcome to Life is Messy but I Am Learning as I Grow, where we embrace the mess, cook with love, and learn something new along the way. You'll find plant-based recipes, simple DIYs, gardening tips, and family adventures here, plus the occasional surprise visit from my cats. If you enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Today, we're making a shelf to display small knickknacks, toys, mini plants, or whatever else you love to show off. You can keep it simple or decorate it to match your style. This is an easy craft that's totally customizable. The supplies you will need: 3 to 6 mini wooden crates from Dollar Tree, hot glue and wood glue, paint or wood stain, paintbrush, hanging hardware, if you plan to mount it on the wall. There's a link to the written instructions for this shelf in the comments section to help you make your own. Paint or stain your crates. Customize your shelf by painting the crates any color you like, or use wood stain for a more rustic look. Let them dry completely before moving on. Fun fact: acrylic paint sticks to almost anything: wood, canvas, glass, plastic, making it a go-to favorite for crafters. Arrange your crates on a flat surface to decide how you want your shelf to look. You can stack them vertically, arrange them in a row, or get creative with an asymmetrical design. Use wood glue for a strong, long-lasting hold. Apply glue where the crates touch and press them together firmly. Use clamps or clips to hold your crates while they dry completely. One creative display idea is to turn your shelf into a mini indoor garden with tiny succulents, air plants, or faux greenery. Add a cute watering can for extra charm. Or how about seasonal decor station? Use the shelf to display small holiday-themed items, like mini pumpkins in the fall, snowmen or ornaments in the winter, or hearts and flowers for spring. It's an easy way to keep your space feeling festive year-round. If you plan to hang your shelf, use a generous amount of hot glue to secure a loop of jute rope. I decided to use my shelf to showcase small collectible toys like mini action figures, Pez dispensers, and other tiny treasures. Once your shelf has completely dried, remove your clamps or clips. Now for the fun part: decorate your new shelf. Add whatever makes you smile. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Life is Messy but I Am Learning as I Grow. If you want to make this yourself, there's a link to the written instructions in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who loves a good DIY project. I'd love to know, what's one creative mess you've made lately that turned out better than expected? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to hear your stories. Have a fantastic day because you deserve it. See you next time.